Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jeremy Galario and I'm 29 years old and I'm happily married with my two kids. My firstborn is 12 years old and my secondborn is 10 years old. I live in Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I worked before in Saudi Arabia for almost 5 years with the same employer. I took care of a 3 months old baby and a 1-year-old baby with the same disabilities. And I work also in Hong Kong for almost 7 months. I break my contract there with my employer because I can't go well with my coworker. And I do also there cooking, ironing, house cleaning, and take caring the children. A 7 years old kids and 9 years old kids. If you can choose me, mom and sir, I would love to work with you and I will treat you as my family. Thank you and good day.